Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agreements of Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to count unique values using Excel. So here, as you can see, I have some data and I want to count I want to see how many of these values are unique. So I don't want to the duplicate values to be counted, so you know what I mean. So the first thing you should do is to use COUNTIF. So in here we are using COUNTIF and some functions to do that. So the first thing you should do is to use COUNTIF. For COUNTIF, the range will be your range of data, and then for criteria, what you should do to to do this counting unique values. Here you should again select the whole range for your criteria. So then close the parentheses, and if I click enter, there's nothing meaningful here. So basically what we are working here is that we want an array. So what does this COUNTIF does? When you give this whole range as criteria to COUNTIF function, what it will do is that it makes an array. So it makes an array and it starts to count all these values with the frequency of repetition, with the times of repetition, you know what I mean. So it starts with 1 and it searches for 1. So it says there's another one here, so it says it's 2 of 1 number, so it says 2. Then it goes to 2 number, so it searches for number 2, and it says there is 2, another one. So then goes to the number 3, and again it searches, and yes, there's another 2 numbers for 3, and then it gets to again 3, there's 2 of 3. So then goes to 1, and there is 2 number 1s here, so it goes to 2 again. Then it gets to number 2 again, it's again 2 of number 2s, and it gets to 7, so there's just 1 7 here. Then it gets to 9, just 1 of 9 here. Gets to 8 in just 1 of number 8. So this is the array it makes actually. Okay, so another thing you should do here is to make a division by 1. So here I want to have 1 divided by this COUNTIF, and then I wanted to sum all of this, and here I should close the parentheses, of course, and then I wanted to be actually function as an array. So what I will do is to click Ctrl Shift Enter and not just enter, because if I just enter you can see it's wrong. So I should Ctrl Shift Enter to get all this array in here. So now what happened here, as you followed me, we had this array made by COUNTIF and by getting this whole range for criteria. And what happens here is that it gets to divide by 1 all of these numbers. So it gets here and opens another curly bracket here, and it gets to 1 to 2, another 1 2 1 2, or maybe it's better to do this. So the new bracket will be here, and it will do just this. Okay, so it divides all of them by 1. So it's 50% plus 50%, it will be 1, another 2, another 2 3, and then 4 5 and 6. And you can see that the sum of this function is here 6. So that's how you can count unique values in Excel. But a tip to consider here is that if you're using Excel 360, it's so easy. It has a unique function which you can use, and then that's super easy in there. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMathSoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.